Imagine starting a normal workday. You put on your gloves, begin your task, and suddenly your skin starts itching. Moments later, you feel dizzy and your breathing becomes difficult. What seemed like a small reaction quickly turns into a serious medical emergency. For thousands of workers, this situation is real. Latex allergies can develop unexpectedly and can cause reactions ranging from mild irritation to life-threatening complications. With the right knowledge, these risks can be recognized and prevented. The Latex Allergy Awareness course from OSHA Outreach Courses helps workers understand how latex exposure can affect health and how to reduce risks in the workplace. This 14-minute online training course provides essential knowledge for workers, supervisors, and safety professionals. Whether you work in healthcare, laboratories, construction, cleaning services, or industrial environments, understanding latex allergies is critical. Because the course is completely online, you can complete the training anytime, anywhere. Latex is widely used in many workplaces, from gloves and medical supplies to cleaning equipment and protective gear. Because it is so common, many workers do not realize the potential risks associated with repeated exposure. Some individuals may develop mild symptoms such as skin irritation or redness, while others can experience severe allergic reactions. Without awareness, workers may ignore early warning signs or fail to recognize the cause of their symptoms. Understanding the risks helps workers identify potential exposure, respond quickly to symptoms, and create safer work environments for everyone. Inside this 14-minute training course, you will gain practical knowledge that can help protect your health and improve workplace safety. You will learn how latex exposure can affect the body and why some individuals develop allergic reactions after repeated contact. The course also explains how to recognize early warning signs and understand when symptoms may require medical attention. You will discover how workplaces can reduce exposure risks by using safer alternatives, improving protective practices, and promoting awareness among employees. Another key focus of the course is understanding how proper workplace safety procedures help protect workers who may already be sensitive to latex. By increasing awareness, organizations can create safer environments and reduce the risk of serious health incidents. Taking this course helps workers recognize potential health risks associated with latex exposure. It improves workplace safety awareness and helps teams respond quickly if symptoms occur. It supports a stronger safety culture where employees understand hazards and take proactive steps to protect themselves and others. Once you complete the course, you will receive a certificate of completion that demonstrates your commitment to workplace health and safety. Protect yourself and your coworkers by learning how to recognize latex allergy risks and prevent dangerous workplace reactions. Click the link in the description and sign up for the Latex Allergy Awareness course from OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.